Good morning and welcome to GrainTV. It's September 6, 2012. To my left is Logan Burgess and I'm Brock and Logan. The grains are trading mixed this morning. Corn and wheat are both positive, soybeans slightly negative. I think we have a couple things weighing on the soybean market. We had some private analysts come out with their yield forecast. But the outside markets are also positive, so that's been helping out the other grains.
Yeah, Brock, outside markets are sharply higher this morning. Right now we're looking at equity markets right now up about 2% here, taking a look at the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Crude oil is up about $1.50 a barrel right now. It really as a result of what Mario Draghi came out of the European Central Bank this morning. Basically came out with an open-ended bond buying program, very similar to quantitative easing as our Fed would do. I know we talked about this some last week, kind of the effect of any quantitative easing on the commodity markets. Basically, the goal of their bond buying is to lower yields on Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese debt. So the ECB is kind of sticking their neck out right now as far as the solvency of the euro here moving forward. The market liked it, and as a result, we're moving higher. Grains, though, a little bit of a different story. You know, as we said, right now, corn kind of trading unchanged. Soybeans coming under some pressure here from some yield expectations that we had coming out late yesterday afternoon. What are we looking at there?
Yeah, FC Stone and Linn Group, both private analysts, came out with their final estimates for the crop for 2012. Corn for FC Stone was at about 121, soybeans at about 36.7 on the yields. Linn Group came out about 120 on corn and soybeans at about 36. So those are slightly below the USDA current estimate of 123 on corn. Soybeans about roughly unchanged for those two private analysts. So I think when we get the USDA production, supply and demand reports next Wednesday, we will see a couple of yield bushel per acre yield reduction on corn. Soybeans, we're looking for something about unchanged. And these estimates are right in line with what other private analysts were coming out with all along last week. Allendale, Pro Farmer, some of those others.
Right.
So I don't think we're going to see much change for soybeans, but corn I do think we'll see a little bit of reduction.
Certainly. Well, that's coming out Wednesday of next week. That's September 12th. That's a good day to put on your calendar there. We'll certainly keep you posted about any private analyst expectations as we approach that date there. I think that kind of wraps up our show here for Thursday. Tune in tomorrow morning. We'll have the export sales report delayed one day this week due to Labor Day. We'll be on AgWeb Radio later today. Thanks for joining us.